Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to be answering the question, why aren't my orders getting filled in Phantom Wallet? So you're probably having this issue where you're trying to submit an active order for maybe a meme coin or a popular meme coin, and it's just not filling you at all. It's giving you an X and it says slippage is too low for a swap. The sole reason why that is that that specific coin you're trying to trade has price fluctuations. What that means is the price is actively moving to different various types of prices. So it could be at a cent and then it moves up to a cent five, and it's just actively moving too quick. So you can't get filled at the exact price that you originally wanted. So how you can fix that is you could basically just head over to the swap option on your Phantom wallet, and you're going to want to go to the top right hand corner and click on the slippage settings. Now, usually auto does work most of the times, but you're going to actively keep on submitting orders until you actually get filled, or you could just submit a higher slippage, which will pretty much let you get in a lot quicker. It pretty much favors your transaction a little bit more. However, if it's too high, if the value is too high, it says right here, it will result in an unfavorable trade. So usually 1% is pretty ideal if price is moving pretty active. But if there's not really much volume, 0.3, 0.5 is ideal, or you could just set it to auto. So that's pretty much how you do it. All right, you could set the slippage higher to get filled for the actively changing prices of a coin you're trying to buy, and or you can set it to auto if you're just regularly buying meme coins that haven't exploded yet. So I hope you found that video helpful, and if you did, leave a like, comment down below if you're having any other issues. I'll be sure to answer them, but nonetheless, I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you all until next time.